E-NETWAY is a company in Taiwan. We are committed to safe drinking water solution. We can design and produce domestic and personal filters according to customers' different requirements. Our filters can filter out particle and chlorine, and the core technique is to filter out bacteria, pesticide, heavy metal, and lead. Besides, we can also add phosphate to inhibit scale. For domestic filter solutions, we can add different formulas and combine different filter materials to achieve different filter effects. On the left side of this page, there are many different filter materials to achieve different filter effects. According to customer needs, we also provide quick change cartridges and inline cartridges. They can be designed in commercial use, domestic use, and modular use. For commercial use, we can provide compatible solutions with EVERPURE. There are 4 kinds of filter heads: single head, twin head, triple head, and quad head. The filter has 3 lengths. Our inline filter adopts modular design, which can provide customers with the customized options and the DIY options. You can connect the modules in series with different materials of filters, like hollow fiber membrane cartridges and the different effects of activated carbon cartridges. For outdoor drinking solutions, we designed the portable water filter, which is very light and easy to carry when you travel outdoors or climb the mountains. You can always bring your own filter and drinking bottles to drink the safe drinking water anywhere. The material of portable filter is hollow fiber membrane. Its pore size is only 0.1 micron, which is smaller than the smallest germs. So when the water goes through the hollow fiber membrane filter, it will become bacteria-free water. If people get hurt outdoors, they can also use bacteria-free water to clean their wines. There are many different ways to use the portable water filter. You can put it on top of the PE bottle, or you can put it under the faucet at home. You can also combine 2 different materials of the portable water filter to become a very simple and reliable purifier at home. Our materials all meet NSF certification standards. We combine Taiwan partners to supply you with the good products. We hope to supply people with safe drinking water at home and outdoors at any time.